Well, welcome. It's almost dinner time, and I'm making one of our favorite meals that we have. This is not a precision protein sparing modified fast day, so we get to have a little bit of fat. So we have chicken thighs, bone-in chicken thighs with the skin on it. And you can see I have it a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil, and I only have aluminum foil because then it's going to be easier to clean up, and that's the only reason. I've spread out so that the chicken skin is nice spread out. It's going to get nice and crispy. I call this crispy chicken thighs. Before keto, if you ever told me that I would be eating chicken skin, I would have laughed at you. So I just do salt and pepper, make sure all areas of the thigh and skin are covered. Then a little bit of pepper. If you wanted to use garlic, powdered garlic or something, you could, but I just like salt and pepper. Put it on liberally. Now this is how you cook it. A 400-degree oven for 1 hour. Yes, I said 400-degree oven for 1 hour. You're going to look at me and say, is she crazy? That's a little chicken thigh. You don't cook it for an hour, and not at 400 degrees. But oh yes, you do. Because the skin is going to come out nice and crispy. The meat is going to be moist and tender. You will not believe it, but let me tell you, I'm going to put this in the oven now, and I'll see you back in an hour. So this has been in the oven for an hour. You can hear it sizzling. It's still sizzling, and now you probably know why I have to clean my oven very often, because of it gets so greasy from all of this. But it's nice and crispy chicken skin. Let me take one. It's hot, but I'm going to try to. I love the skin. The skin peels right off. I got a little bit of chicken with that. And they're just eating this. It is so good. I won't eat it right now. But what I'm going to have is I have some cranberry chutney and some jalapeno jelly. I'm going to eat it with this. It's going to be so good. Let me try this crispy skin. Oh, yeah. So good. I'm telling you, I never would have thought I'd be eating chicken skin. It's delicious. So crispy chicken thighs. The meat's nice and juicy. The skin is so crispy. Tastes so good. So I've added another piece of chicken. I have the 2 chicken thighs. I've already taken the skin off of one. I'll take the skin off of this. I just love the nice crispy skin, and I will eat the skin. But I also wanted to show you that with the chicken, I have my cranberry chutney and my jalapeno jelly. And what I will do is take some chutney with some of the thigh meat. So good. Some of the jalapeno jelly. Absolutely delicious. Nice and moist and tender and real crispy skin.